Hello everyone, I am Aviroop Roy and this is Krishi-Vani. In India, a smallholder farmer in a remote place is the backbone of our economy. Yet, they face a massive information gap. They can't access real-time weather alerts, market prices, or expert agricultural advice without a smartphone or internet. Krishi-Vani solves this by turning any mobile phone into an intelligent agri-advisor. We've built an AI powered voice first system that's accessible to everyone. Farmers just dial a toll free number, ask the question in their own language, and get an instant, intelligent answer. The intelligence behind Krishi-Vani is a retrieval augmented generation pipeline powered by a large language model like Google Gemini, which connects to a comprehensive knowledge base. For this project, we've integrated our solution with several key public datasets from the Indian government, forming a robust knowledge base. This includes IMD for weather and climate data, Ag Market for real time market prices, and ICAR for scientific crop and pest management advisories. Let's dive into what's happening under the hood. The core of Krishivani is built on a modern tech stack designed for speed and scalability. The entire backend is powered by Python, known for its versatility and extensive libraries for AI and data processing. We chose Fast API to build our API because of its high performance and automatic documentation. It allows us to create robust and efficient endpoints that can handle thousands of voice requests. For the voice to text and text to speech functionality, we are leveraging the Twilio Voice API. Twilio receives the incoming calls, transcribes the farmer's speech, and sends that text data to our Fast API application via a webhook. To make our local Fast API server accessible to Twilio, we are using ngrok. It creates a secure tunnel from our local machine to a public URL so Twilio's webhook can reach our application. Now I'll walk you through a simulation of this process. Since we can't make a live phone call during the demo, we are using curl to perfectly replicate the webhook request that Twilio would send. The request includes the transcribed speech just as a real call would. This is our ngrok terminal, and this is the fast API terminal. As I run this command, pay close attention to the two terminals on the screen. The ngrok terminal will show the incoming HTTP post request. The fast API terminal will show our application receiving the request, processing the transcribed text, and generating a TWI-ML, Twilio Markup Language Response. TWI-ML is an XML document that instructs Twilio on what to say back to the user. Suppose a farmer asks this question: my paddy plants have some brown spots on the leaves. This is the answer he will receive. Brown spots on paddy leaves could indicate a fungal disease called brown spot. The recommended treatment from ICAR includes spraying with a copper-based fungicide. Please consult with your local agricultural extension officer for more specific advice. Now suppose he wants to change his question and he asks something like, will it rain in Pune tomorrow? And this is the answer he receives. Based on the IMD forecast for Pune, there is no rain expected for the next 72 hours. You can safely irrigate your wheat crop. Now he wants to ask something else, like, what is the price for tomatoes in Nasik Mandi? And this is the answer. According to today's ag market data, the model price for tomatoes in the Nasik Mandi is rupees 25 per kilogram. For all these requests, these are the responses in the ngrok terminal, and these are the responses in the Python terminal. You can see all the responses have come with a success access code of 200. The simulation proves that the entire backend logic from receiving the user's query to retrieving the correct information and generating an intelligent response is fully functional. In future, we will extend this implementation to include WhatsApp messaging and also create a dedicated front-end interface and a PWA app as well to include a wide range of users. So that's it from my side. I hope you liked this demo. We are very excited to present our solution in the finale. Till then, thank you and goodbye.